Ever feel like your marketing contacts are just a chaotic jumble? Well, Aisensy's Tag System is here to bring order to the madness and unlock the true potential of your campaigns today. We'll break down how to use tags to supercharge your marketing. First, let's head over to the Contacts section in your Aisensy dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You can assign tags to individual contacts or, to save time, select multiple contacts at once. Now, look for the Add Tag option. Clicking this allows you to either choose an existing tag from the drop-down menu or create a brand new tag, like VIP customer for your most valued clients. Think about how you want to categorize your audience. Some useful tag examples could be new lead, webinar attendee, or product of interest. The real power of tags comes into play when segmenting your audience. You can filter your contacts based on these tags, allowing you to create highly targeted messaging. Imagine sending an exclusive VIP offer only to those tagged as VIP customer. That level of personalization drives engagement and boosts conversions. Finally, use tags to track campaign performance. Aisensy's analytics dashboard will show you how different tagged segments respond to your messages, helping you refine your strategy over time. So, start using tags in Aisensy today to organize your contacts, personalize your messaging, and maximize the effectiveness of your marketing efforts.